Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Sikorsky Experimental Rotor Test Rig. My name is Tyler Crowley.
I am Ethan Silver.
I'm Remy Platier.
So this rig is designed because Sikorsky has several inventions that would benefit from testing on a scale model rig, as seen in the picture on the right. It has been designed and constructed by 3 previous years' teams. Last year's team ran into multiple problems when they were running the rig, and our task is to troubleshoot and implement solutions that will allow the rig to be operational up to speeds of 3,600 RPM.
All right. So some of the issues faced by last year's team after testing initially was the bearings were tilted after running the rig at 400 RPM, and it created grooves on the inside of the cam wall there, seen on the picture in the middle. On the picture in the bottom there, you can see the tilt in the bearing as it ran up against on its edge against the cam wall. So those two issues kind of go in conjunction with each other. And then we also saw that this semester, the shaft and motor couplings were grinding on each other due to a key not fitting properly in its slot. And also we saw an off-center load on the winglet.
So some solutions that we're going to implement into the rig to fix these problems, we are going to add a bushing into the bolt connecting the bearing to the aluminum bar. This will reduce the eating away at the aluminum bar from the threads as the rig is running, which was causing the tilting seen earlier. We will also add a shim stock between the motor and the metal table to lower the motor shaft, which will reduce the grinding between the couples, as well as a newly designed winglet and counterweight under the bearings, which will move the load seen on the winglet to a more central position on the hinge point, as well as a metal tire around the bearing, which will protect the bearing and the cam wall, as well as intensive lab view calibrations with the load cells, accelerometers, and thermistors. And we'll also include a guide that lists the values and instructions to set up for the lab view for next year's teams. And then this is used by Sikorsky to improve the maneuverability of current Sikorsky helicopters. Prime example being the Rotor X helicopter seen in the bottom right, as well as it will lead towards future innovations in helicopter aviation. Thank you.